All right, developers, this is it. Contest time. This is the random drawing for Andre Negoy's new React course. This is probably the most seat of my pants video I've ever done because I'm kind of sick of random number generators. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick my finger right here and I'm going to use my trackpad with my other hand, and wherever we land, I'm going to close my eyes. You can't see my eyes. You're just going to have to believe me here. Wherever my finger stops, that's going to be the first winner, okay? We have like a ton of comments here. So I'm going to go up and down and try it and go. There's Amazing Raven. All right, there's the bottom of the comments. And up here is the top. There are how many comments? A lot. 151 comments. Ooh, not bad. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to count to 5. I'm going to keep scrolling up and down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Now I'm going to give it a few more seconds. I'm going to let it go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's the lucky winner? LX. Thank you for what you're doing. Thank you, LX. You are the lucky winner number 1. Let's go for winner number 2. Here's my little pinky. On the next winner, we're going to count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let it go. Anthony Batista, this versus Colt or both? Well, Anthony, you're going to have the chance to find out because you're the second winner of the free pass. So if both of you could send me an email or a DM, get a hold of me privately to let me know what your email is, and I will send you that code for a free course for Andre Negoy's React course, all right? Congrats to you both. Thank you, everybody who left a comment. This was an incredible turnout. I thought I wasn't even going to get 40 comments, but apparently people love contests, so maybe we'll have to do a few more of these. Thanks, everybody, again. Hope you're having a great day. TGIF. See you in the next vid.